Hello, I am Ashish. What is current asset? Current assets are those assets which are meant for sale or which the management would want to be converted into cash. Current asset is also known as active assets or short-lived assets. Current asset example debtors, stock, bill receivable, cash in hand, cash at bank, etc. Current assets are also known floating assets and circulating assets as the amount of and nature of the asset changing. It is convert in cash within 1 year or operating cycle. Thank you. Keep watching.